Happy New Year to all. May this year brings new happiness, new goals, new achievements, and a lot of new inspiration in your life. Again, Happy New Year. In this new year, I have come with a new video, which is very important and especially for those RPF personnel who want to participate in their departmental promotional exam under Rule 70 and 72. Nowadays, mostly exams are being conducted on CBT patterns, and RPF department is also conducting their departmental exams on CBT pattern. So, it is very important for all of you to know about the CBT pattern exams. In this video contains a model demo test which is based on CBT. So, I would like to request all of you, you also join with me and participate in this examination. This will help you to understand about the CBT patterns, and also it will help you to go far away from your fear during examination hall. So, you can take a plain paper sheet and mark the 1 to 100 numbers on it. Also, you join with me. Okay, let us start. In your examination hall, your screen will be like that. You would have to log in with your email ID. I have already put my email ID here, and also have the options of password. Password may your roll number, password may your date of birth. I am putting my password here. And click login. It will take some time. You would have to wait. Your page will be open like that. This may be changed in your examination hall, because different types of agencies are conducting their exam, so it may be changed. Now, next button, click next button. Here are some general instructions. It is very important, so read carefully. Total duration of examination is 90 minutes. The clock will be set at the server. Countdown timer in the top right corner of screen will display the remaining time available for you. To complete the examination, now when the timer reaches 0, the examination will end by itself. You will not be required to end or submit your examination. The question palette displayed on the right side of screen will show the status of each question using one of the following symbols. Some symbols will be there like that. That means you haven't visited the question yet. Like that symbol, you haven't answered the question. Like that symbol, you have answered the questions, and like that symbol, you have not answered the questions but have marked the question for review. And like that symbol, you have answered the questions but marked it for review. Instructions will be also in Hindi, and also some instructions are which is based on your establishment manual. All questions will be objective multiple choice type. Your examination, all questions will be objective multiple choice type with 4 alternative response. All questions shall carry equal marks, that is 1 marks for each. Candidates shall be awarded 1 mark for each correct answer, and 1/3 mark will be deducted for each incorrect answer. But this is only for those candidates who are participating in under Rule 72 exam. There is a negative marking, 1/3 mark for each incorrect answer for 72. But those candidates who are participating in under Rule 70 exam, there is no negative marking, no negative marking. In your examination, there will be 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Group A shall consist 10 questions, which is based on official language and policy, that is Rajbhasha, and Group B will contains 90 questions, which is based on related to your departmental subjects like crime, law, GS, reasoning, computer, RSMS, fire, exclusive, etc. But you have to answer only 80 questions out of 100 questions. 100 questions will be given, but you have to answer only 80 questions out of 100 questions. Suppose that you answer 5 questions from Group A. Suppose that you answer 5 questions from Group A, then you have to answer 75 questions out of 90 questions from Group B. That means total 80 questions. Suppose that if a candidate attempts more than 80 questions, suppose that if a candidate attempts more than 80 questions, then his excess answers of the last questions from Group B shall not be evaluated. It is very clear, you have to answer only 80 questions from Group A and Group B out of 100 questions. After reading all the instructions carefully, I am ready to begin. It means click here and exam will be start. Here is a model set 20. Actually, this has been provided by Chaitanya IAS Academy. Here is a clock which is going on, and the option of answer is here. Question number 1 to 10 from question number 1 to 10 is related to official language and policy, that is Rajbhasha, which is not mandatory. Question number 1, in which area does Jharkhand falls in terms of official language? In which area does Jharkhand falls in terms of official language? Option number 1A, option number 2B, option number 3C, and option number D, none of these. In which area does Jharkhand falls in terms of official language? In India, all the states have been divided in 3 parts. A region, B region, C region. I mean in Hindi you can say Ka Kshetra, Kha Kshetra and Ga Kshetra in view of Rajbhasha. Some states comes under A region, some states are come under in B regions, and some states are in C regions. Then question is, in which area does Jharkhand falls in terms of official language? I think Jharkhand, mostly people speak in Hindi, so I think option A. But what will be your answer? You can also put your answer on your answer sheet. At the end, completion of the examination, we will match with the answers. Okay. Save and next button is here, and click save and next. It's important. Save and next. Now question number 2. When was constituted the first official language commission? When was constituted the first official language commission? Your option is 1955, 1954, 1965 or 1975. I think 1955. Save and next. Here is showing the green symbol, that means you have answered. Now question number 3, what is the script of Indian Union? What is the script of Indian Union? You know, script, that means lipi. Lipi. What is the script of Indian Union? Roman, Devanagari, Kharosthi, none of these. I think Devanagari. Now save and next. Question number 4. Rashtriya Hindi Divas is celebrated in which day? Rashtriya Hindi Divas, you know, Hindi Day, Rashtriya Hindi Divas is celebrated in which day? 14th of August, 14th of December, 16th of December or 14th of September? I think 14th of September. Next question number 5. Who was the chairperson for first official language commission? Who was the chairperson for first official language commission? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B.G. Khair, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sachidanand Sinha. I think B.G. Khair. Question number 6. What is the official language of India? What is the official language of India? Hindi, Urdu, Sanskrit, and none of these. I think Hindi. It's a very simple question. Question number 7. In which of the following areas does Punjab come from a linguistic perspective? In which of the following area does Punjab come from a linguistic perspective? A. B, C, or none of these? I have already told you that all the states of our country have been divided in 3 groups, Group A, Group B, Group C. Some states are in Group A, some states are in Group B, some states are in Group C. I think Punjab determines, according to me, comes from the B region. Okay, 7 next. Now question number 8, section 4 of the Official Language Act 1963 deals with classified union territory, by constitution of parliamentary official language committee, use of English language, none of these. I think section 4 of the Official Language Act 1963 deals with, I think, by constitution of parliamentary official language committee. Now 7 next. Question number 9, who prepares an annual report on official language? Who prepares? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Railway, Ministry of Defense. I think Ministry of Home Affairs. Now 7 next. Question number 10, alternative use of Hindi or other official language in decision of High Court. Question number 10. Now question number 10. Section 7 of Official Language Act 1963 is related. Section 7 of Official Language Act 1963 is related. Alternative use of Hindi or other official language in decision of High Courts or by constitution of Parliamentary Official Language Committee. Both of the above, none of these. I think section 7 Official Language Act, if you have any problem or you feel uncomfortable, then you can leave this question. You don't try to answer this question, because 1/3 marks will be deducted. So section 7 of Official Language Act 1960 related to, I think, alternative use of Hindi or other official language. Okay, 7 next. I have already answered 10 questions from Group A. Now I have to answer only 70 questions from Group B, total 80 questions. Now question number 11. Cerebrum is a part of which part of the human body? Cerebrum is a part of which part of the human body? Cerebrum. Brain, heart, liver, or none of these? I think cerebrum is related to, I think, brain. Okay, 7 next. Now question number 12. What is the full form of CIB? What is the full form of CIB? Your option is Central Intelligence Bureau, Crime Intelligence Bureau, Crime Intelligence Branch, or none of these. CIB, Central Intelligence Bureau, no. Crime Intelligence Bureau, no. Crime Intelligence Branch. CIB means Crime Intelligence Branch. Option number C. Okay. 7 next. Question number 13. Force member of RPF should have necessary knowledge of on the psychology. Force member of RPF should have necessary knowledge of on the psychology, human anatomy, human behavior, human problems, none of these. I think human behavior. Now 7 next. Question number 14. Under which section of the CRPC warrant case is defined? Under which section of the CRPC warrant case is defined? Your option is 2N, 2B, 2W, 2X. Under which section of CRPC warrant case? And you also put your answer. Under which section of CRPC warrant case? I think option number 4. Now 7 next. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव वाल्व, यानी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव वाल्व मीन्स डीवी, डीवी is used in which department? DV is used by which department? OHE, engineering, mechanical, none of these. I think mechanical. Very simple question. Now next question number 16, which section of RPF Act 1957 gives a force member power to arrest without warrant? Force member has the power to arrest without warrant. Section 12, section 5, section 11 or section 6? I think section 12. 7 next. Question number 17. What is recorded in the C5 register at the RPF post? C5 register. I think C5 register is related to special report or seal memo book or case property or panel cut. I think C5 register related to case property register. Option number 3. Now 7 next. Question number 18. Provision for relation with press. Relation with press. Relation with press is explained in RPF rule. Provision for relation with press. RPF rule 278, 279, 280 or 277. I think provision for relation with press 279. 7 next. Question number 19. What is the full form of PTO? What is the full form of PTO? PTO. Privilege ticket order, pass ticket order, privilege train order or privilege travel order. I think PTO, privilege ticket order. I think privilege ticket order. I think. Okay, next. The headquarter of 9th Battalion of RPSF is. The headquarter of 9th Battalion of RPSF is at Jagadri, Dhanbad, New Jalpaiguri, Maulali. I think Jagadri. Question number 21. Procedure of imposing minor punishment is given in which RPF rule? Minor punishment. Procedure of minor punishment. Your option is Rule 150, Rule 153, Rule 157 or Rule 158. Procedure of imposing minor punishment. I think Rule 158. Now next, question number 22. The volt of OHE. The volt of OHE is 25,000 volt, 2500 volt, 3000 volt or 40,000 volt. I think 25,000 volt. Now next, question number 23. Which rule describes sick list for the member of the force? Which rule describes sick list for the member of the force? Rule 156, Rule 153, Rule 172, Rule 272. Which rule describes sick list? Sick list 156, Rule 153, Rule 172 or Rule 272. I think 272. If you have any confusion, you should not answer these questions. Okay. I think 272. And what will be your answer? You can put 7 next. Question number 24. Confidential report is mentioned under which RPF rule? Confidential report is mentioned under which RPF rule? Rule 127, Rule 83, Rule 92 or Rule 108? Confidential report. Confidential report. Confidential report. You think? Confidential report. I think rule 108, I think. 7 next. Question number 25. Under which section of sexual harassment of women at workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013, sexual harass is defined? Sexual harass is defined. Your option is 2A, section 2F, section 2G and section 2P. I think section 2A. Now click 7 next button. Question number 26. Dash and dash calls are two major types of bomb threat call. Dash and dash calls are two major types of bomb threat call. Your option is specific and non-specific, right and left, first and second, 1 and 2. I think specific and non-specific calls are two major types of bomb threat calls. Now question number 27. Which form is required to be filled up by merchant to book goods in railway? If any persons want to deliver their goods by railway, then at that time which form is required to be filled up by a merchant to book their goods in railway? Your option is RR, cash form, gate pass or forwarding note. I think forwarding note. 7 next. Question number 28. Act of person of unsound mind is not an offense under which section of the Indian Penal Code? Act of a person of unsound mind. That means a person whose mind is not sound. That means not well. Act of a person of unsound mind is not an offense under which section of the Indian Penal Code? That means IPC. Section 80, section 82, section 83, section 84. I think section 84. 7 next. Question number 29. Main work of the engineering department of Indian Railway is? Main work of the engineering department of Indian Railway is? Option: to construct and maintain the railway track, to manufacture the train engine, to manufacture the coaches and wagons, to renovate electricity in Indian Railway. Main work of engineering department is, I think, to construct and maintain the railway track. So option is 1. Now 7 next. Question number 30. Maintenance of record of the Railway Act offenders is done as per standing order number what? Maintenance of record of the Railway Act offenders is Railway Act offenders, okay, is done as per standing order number, I think 29, 31, 32 or 95. I think 31. Now 7 next. Next question is question number 31. Which type of the fire extinguisher can be used for all classes of fire? Which type of fire extinguisher can be used for all cases of fire? Water type, carbon dioxide type, DCP type or foam type? I think DCP type. Now 7 next. Question number 32. What is the full form of MEMU? MEMU is full form of MEMU. Metro electrical multiple unit, mono electrical multiple unit, main electronic multiple unit, main line electrical multiple unit. MEMU. MEMU. I think main line electrical multiple unit. And whatever you answer, you can also put on your paper sheet. My option is D, and what will you answer? You put 7. Next, question number 33. Dog squad works under which wing? Dog squad works under which wing? Static wing, mobile wing, crime wing, special wing. Dog squad, I think crime wing. Now next, question number 34. Under which section of the CRPC protection of members of the force from arrest is described? Under which section of the CRPC protection of members of the armed forces from arrest is described? I think section, your option is section 41, section 44, section 45, section 46. Under which section of the CRPC protection of members of the armed personnel from arrest? I think 45. Now 7. Next, question number 35. When is the firecracker signal used? I think firecracker yani pataka signal, you know, in Hindi pataka signal you can say. When is the firecracker signal used? Number first, signal is not clearly visible in fog or stormy weather. At that time it is used. Option number 2, signal is visible but engine is not working. Option number C, when signal failure occurs. Option number D, none of these. I think pataka signal you can say it is used. Signal is not clearly visible in fog or stormy weather. At that time use firecracker signal. Okay. Now then option number 1. Okay, 7. Next, question number 36. What is the full form of PEK? PEK. What is the full form of PEK? Plastic explosive kit, plastic explosive kind, plain explosive kit, a plastic explosive kirki. I think plastic explosive kirki. Now question number 37. The distance between outer signals on either side of same station is called. The distance between outer signals on either side of same station is called block section, station limit, operating block, engineering block. The distance between outer signals on either side of same station is called, I think, station limit. 7. Next, question number 38. Who was invented dynamite? Who was invented dynamite? Roger Bacon, Alfred Nobel, Anthony Nobel, Richard Bacon. I think Alfred Nobel. 7. Next, question number 39. Within how many hours of unloading the goods should the damage and deficiency message, yani DDM, be issued? Within how many hours of unloading the goods should the DDM, yani damage and deficiency message, be issued? 8 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours. Question number 40. If a passenger needs a wheelchair at a railway station, from where can he take it? If a passenger needs a wheelchair at a railway station, from where can he take it? From DRM office, from parcel office, from station master office, and from ticket checking office. If a passenger needs a wheelchair at a railway station, from where can he take it? I think station master office. 7. Next, question number 41. Traveling in handicapped coach is punishable under which section of Railway Act? Traveling in handicapped coach is punishable under which section of Railway Act? Section 141, Section 143, Section 144, Section 145. I think Section 145. 7 next. Question number 42. What is the full form of PETN? What is the full form of PETN? Pentaerythritol tetranitrate, pentaerythryl tetranitrate, pentaerythritol trinitrate, pentaethanol trinitrate. Pentaerythritol tetranitrate, I think. Option number A. Now 7 next. Question number 43. Seal is a what? Seal is a dash dash dash. That means seal is what? Instrument of wagon or security device, playing toy. None of these. I think seal is a security device. Option number 2nd. 7 next. Question number 44. Bomb disposal techniques, RSP, stands for bomb disposal techniques, RSP stands for, your option is rare security person, rendering safe procedure, restoration of safety. None of these. RSP, that means rendering safe procedure. Okay. Question number 45. Monthly crime review is defined in which rule of RPF rule? Monthly crime review is defined in which rule of RPF rule? RPF rule 230, RPF rule 231, RPF rule 232, RPF rule 227. I think MCR, monthly crime review, MCR is defined, I think 231. Okay. Question number 46. Cheating is defined under which section of IPC? Cheating is defined under which section of IPC? Section 415, Section 420, Section 425, Section 441. I think cheating 415. Okay. 7 next. Question number 47. What is the full form of SPART, SPART? What is the full form of SPART? Your option is self-propelled accident relief train. Option number 2, self-propelled annual report. Option number C, service propelled alert relief train. Option number D, none of these. I think self-propelled accident relief train. Option number A. 7 next. Question number 48. What is the full form of ISS? What is the full form of ISS? Integrated Security System, Indian Service System, Integrated Safety System, Indian Security System. What is the full form of ISS? Integrated Security System. I think Integrated Security System. No, option number 1. Now 7 next. Question number 49. Clotting of blood takes place due to the presence of which vitamin in the blood? Clotting of blood takes place due to the presence of which vitamin in blood? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin K. I think vitamin K. Now 7 next. Question number 50. Punishment for writing. You know writing, that means balwa, you can balwa. Punishment for writing with deadly weapons is given under which section of IPC? Section 141, Section 144, Section 145, Section 148. I think Section 148. Now 7 next. The head of each battalion of RPSF is what? Who? The head of each battalion of RPSF is dash dash dash. That means Divisional Security Commissioner, Assistant Security Commissioner, Commandant, or Principal Chief Security Commissioner. The head of each battalion of RPSF is, I think, Commandant. Now next question, question number 52. Under which section of the CRPC non-cognizable offence is defined? non-cognizable offense is defined. Section 2A CRPC, Section 2B CRPC, Section 2C CRPC, Section 2L CRPC. I think Section 2L CRPC. 7 next. Now question number 53. Who is the head of the RPF in Zonal Railway? Who is the head of the RPF in Zonal Railway? PCSC, CSC, Deputy CSC, none of these. Head of the RPF, I mean PCSC. Now next 54. What is the true meaning of secular from the following? What is the true meaning of secular from the following? All religions are equal and they are supported by the government. Option number 2, government protection to any one religion. Option number 3, special importance of nationalism. Option 4, none of these. I think all religions are equal and they are supported by the government, I think. Now 7 next. Question number 55. Location box. Location box is electrical fitting, engineering fitting, SNT fitting and mechanical fitting. I think SNT fitting. Next. Question number 56. Under which article of Indian Constitution Supreme Court protects the fundamental rights of the citizen? Under which article of Indian Constitution Supreme Court protects the fundamental right of the citizen? Article 26, Article 28, Article 32, Article 51(1). I think Article 32. Now next question 57. Punishment for atrocities offences is given in section dash 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 of SC/ST, Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. Punishment for atrocities offences, I think section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5. I think section 3. 7 next. Now question number 58. International Human Rights Day is celebrated on which day? International Human Rights Day. Your option is actually, I think here is some technical mistakes. Human Rights Day, I think, is celebrated 10 December. So no, we can leave the question, okay? Don't leave the question. Next. Question number 59. Performing duty on foot in prescribed beat area from one place to another place is performing duty on foot in a prescribed beat area from one place to another place is escorting, patrolling, picketing, guarding. I think patrolling. Now next question. Under which section of the Railway Act is spreading dirt, that means gandagi phailana, you know, spreading dirt in railway premises is an offence? Under section 145, 155, 156, 162. I think 145. 7 next. Question number 61. You should also keep timing in your mind. Timing management is very important. 43 minutes left and we have to solve 80 questions. So question number 61. A small iron of piece connecting the rails on a track is called. A small iron of piece connecting the rails on a track is called fish plate, pendrol clip, relay, coupling. I think fish plate, a small iron of piece connecting the rails, I think fish plate. Now 7 next. Question number 62. Under which section of Indian Evidence Act 1872 opinion of expert is relevant fact? Opinion of expert is relevant fact under section 32, section 45, section 61, section 65. I think section 45. Now 7 next. Question number 63. Entering into coaches which are reserved for female passenger is punishable under which section of Railway Act? Entering into coaches which are reserved for female passenger is punishable under which section of Railway Act? 162, 157, 155, 150, 141. I think 162. 7 next. Question number 64. Under which section of the Indian Penal Code gang rape is described? Gang rape. 376A, 376B, 376C, 376D. I think gang rap 376D. 7 next. Question number 65. Under which section of the CRPC arrest by magistrate is described? Arrest by magistrate. Section 41, 44, 45, 46. Arrest by magistrate. I think 44. Now, 7 next. How many LHAP is given to RPF staff in a year? How many LHAP? 20 days, 50 days, 45 days, 100 days. LHAP, that means 20 days. Now next, theft of book consignment occurring between two outer signals of two stations are called. The theft of book consignment occurring between two outer signals of two stations are called YT, RTT, GPPT, none of these. I think RTT, it's very simple question. Question number 68, which article explains the fundamental duties? Fundamental duties, Article 32, Article 50A, Article 51A, Article 52A. I think Article 51A. Very simple question. Question number 69, where was the first train run in India? Where was the first train run in India? Kolkata to Hubli, Madras to Bengaluru, Boribandar to Thane, none of these. I think Boribandar to Thane. Very simple question. Question number 70, role of RPF for security of women passengers has been explained in standing order. Role of RPF for security of women passenger has been explained in standing order. 57, 58, 59, 60. If you have any confusion, you can leave the question. Security of women passenger has been explained in standing order. I have some confusion. Okay, marked. Next. Question number 71. Question number 69. I have already 69. Okay. So answered and marked for review. No question. Okay, 68. Question number 71, directions in each of the questions given below. Two statements are given followed by four conclusions, assuming the statements to be completely true and based on these make logical conclusions based on whether the statement don't match the commonly known facts. Statement 1, some tables are chairs, some tables are not sofas. Conclusion, some tables are chairs. Conclusion number 2, no tables are sofas. 3, all sofas are tables. 4, all tables are chairs. Your option is only 2, only 3, only 1, either 1 or 2. This question is related to reasoning, and reasoning is very important for 72 rule exam candidate. You can solve. I am also solving. I think only one answer. 7 next. Question number not answer. Question number 70. Question number 70 not answered. It means the role of RPF. I can keep it for marked 57. Okay. Question number 72 also related to reasoning. 1, 2, 6, 12, 36, 72, dash, dash, dash. What will come in place of the question mark in the following number series? Okay. One, 2, 6, 12, 36, 72. What will come after that? You solve. I think 216 my answer. And what will be your answer? You put 7 next. Find the missing terms. Find the missing terms. Find the missing terms. 10 questions of the reasoning is very important for 72 rules. Very important. Find the missing terms. Only 3 options is then. This is confusion questions. Your answer CC, BCB. Yeah, this one comes. 7 next. 74 question number. Find the angle between 10 to 12 minutes. Find the angle between 10 to 12 minutes. Find the angle between. You solve. Try to solve. I think 234 degrees. 7 next. If there is a Sunday on the 1st October, if there is a Sunday on the 1st October, then what will be on the 1st November? Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. This question is related to calendar. If there is a Sunday on the 1st October, then what will be the 1st November? You try to solve.
Question number 76. Father of A is the son-in-law of B's mother's husband. How is B's father related to? Father of A is the son-in-law of B's mother's husband. How is B's father related to A? Actually, this is related to blood relationship, and your option is now leave it. Okay. Question number 77. There are 4 words given in the questions, out of which 3 are related. Choose the words which are odd. Okay. January, February, March, May. I think January, February, March, May. Actually, January has 31 days, March has also 31 days, May has also 31 days. I think February, and now 7 next. And question number 78. 14, 9, 26, and what? And your option is 15, 12, 18, 16. Also, you can solve. This is related to reasoning questions, and my answer is 15.
Question number 79. If COIL is related to 315912 and POLIC is related to 161512935, then price is, you solve, try to solve the questions. If you have any confusion, and you can leave the questions. This is related to coding and decoding, from the reasoning, coding, decoding. Okay, leave the question. Now question number 80. How many meaningful words will be formed using the letter male? How many meaningful words will be formed using the letters male, M-A-L-E? 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to solve. I think 4. 7 next. Now question number 81. Evaluating and selecting a process is called. Evaluating and selecting a process is called problem solving, decision making, using resources, none of these. I think evaluating and selecting a process is called decision making, I think. Now 7 next. Question number 82. Who discovered the virus? Nowadays Corona COVID-19 virus is in whole the world. Who discovered the virus? Hargobind Khurana, Ivanovsky, Isaac Mann, Charles Darwin. I think Ivanovsky. Next. I have already 79 answered. I have answered 79 questions. 79. Now only one questions. What is the minimum voting age in India? What is the minimum voting age in India? Very simple, 18 years. 7x. I have already answered 80 questions. And suppose that if you want to, if you have any confusion, then directly you click question 80. All questions are there. So where do you want to change your 40 questions? You can go 40 and the V section of the service you want to. And if you want to clear the response, then here clear response button is there. That means clear. 210 clear response. Clear response. If you have confusion that in this question, if you have any confusion, then you can clear response. Okay, and another question, you can go another question. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 83, next 7 next. What is the tenure of Panchayati Raj institution? What is the tenure of Panchayati Raj institution? Tenure 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Tenure of Panchayati Raj, I think 5 years. 7 next. That means 27 minutes is remaining and I have completed my 80 questions. I have answered. Now here have the option of submit button. Submit button is there. You can go submit. Do you wish to submit and close the exam? Once you submit, you will not be able to review the exam. Here also showing summary. That means 80 answered. That means I have already answered 80 questions. Okay. Then here have option finish exam. Yes, finish exam. I have already completed my exam. Now it's time correct or match our answers. Let's start. Question number 1. In which area does Jharkhand falls in terms of official language? Option number A. 1A. Next. When was constituted the first official language commission? 1955. Next. What is the script of Indian Union? That is Devanagari. Next. Rashtriya Hindi Divas is celebrated in which day? That means 14th of September. Next. Who was the chairperson of first official language commission? B.G. Khair. Next. What is the official language of India? Hindi. Very good. In which of the following areas does Punjab come from a linguistic perspective? Option number 2, B. Okay, next, section 4 of the Official Language Act 1963 deals with option number 2, by constitution of Parliamentary Official Language Committee. Question 9, who prepares an annual program on official language? Option number 2, Ministry of Home Affairs. You match. Question number 10, section 7 of Official Language Act 1963 is related. Section 7, that means option number 1, alternative use of Hindi or other official language in decision of high courts. Now next, question number 11, cerebrum is a part of which part of the human body? Brain. Option number 1, brain. Question number 12, what is the full form of CIB? That means option number 3, Crime Intelligence Branch. Now question number 13, force member of RPF should have necessary knowledge of under psychology. Option number 2, human behavior. Question number 14, under which section of the CRPC warrant case is defined? Option number 4, 210. Now next, distributive valve, that means DV, is used in which department? Option number 3, mechanical. Next, which section of RPF Act 1957 gives force member power to arrest without warrant? Option number 1, 12. Question number 17, what is recorded in C5 register? C5 register, that means option number 3, case property register. Question number 18, provision of relation with press is explained in Rule 279, option number 2. Question number 19, what is the full form of PTO? PTO, that means option number 1, privilege ticket order. Question number 20, the headquarter of 9th Battalion of RPSF is option number 1, Jagadri. Question number 21, procedure of imposing minor punishment is given in RPF rule, option number 4, Rule 158. Now question number 22, the volt of OHE is option number 1, 25,000 volt is the right answer. Question number 23, which rule describes sick list for the member of the force? That means option number 4 is right, Rule 272. Question number 24, confidential report is mentioned under which RPF rule? That means option 4, Rule 108. Question number 25, under which section of Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act 2013 sexual harass is defined? Option number 1, 2A. Next, question 26, dash and dash calls are two major types of bomb threat calls. That means option number 1, specific and non-specific calls are two major types of bomb calls. Question number 27, which form is required to be filled up by merchant to book goods in railway? That means option number 4, forwarding note is the right answer. Question number 28, act of a person of unsound mind is not an offense under which section of the Indian Penal Code? That is option number 484. Okay. Question number 29, main work of the engineering department of Indian Railways, option number 1 is right, to construct and maintain the railway track. Question number 30, maintenance of record of the Railway Act offenders is done as per standing order number, option number 231 is the right answer. Question number 31, which type of fire extinguisher can be used for all classes of fire? That means option number 3 is the right answer, DCP type. Question number 32, what is the full form of MEMU? MEMU. Option number 4 is the right answer, mainline electrical multiple unit. Question number 33, dog squad works under which wing? So option number 3 is the right answer, crime wing. Question number 34, under which section of the CRPC protection of members of the armed forces from arrest is described? Option number 3 is the right answer, section 45. Next, question number 35, when is the firecracker, that means pataka signal is used? That means option number 1 is the right answer, signal is not clearly visible in fog or stormy weather. Question number 36, what is the full form of PEK? That means your answer is 4 is the right answer, plastic explosive key. Next, question number 37, the distance between outer signal on either side of the same station is called station limit, option number 2. Question number 38, who was invented dynamite? Your answer is 2 is the right answer, Alfred Nobel. Question number 39, within how many hours of unloading the goods should be DDM, that means damage deficiency message be issued? That means option number 3, 6 hours is the right answer. Question number 14. If a passenger needs a wheelchair at a railway station, from where can he take it? That means from station master office is the right answer. Question number 41. Traveling in handicapped coach is punishable under which section of Railway Act? That means option number 4, section 155 is the right answer. Question number 42. What is the full form of PETN? PETN, that means option number 1 is the right answer, pentra-erythritol tetranitrate. Question number 43. Seal is a security device. Option number 2 is the right answer. Question number 44. Bomb disposal technique RSP stands for rendering safe procedure. Option number 2 is the right answer. Question number 45. Monthly crime review is defined in which rule of RPF rule? And answer is option number 2, RPF rule 232. Question number 46. Cheating is defined under which section of IPC? That means option number 1 is the right answer, section 1, 4, 15, 47. What is the full form of SPART? That means option number 1 is the right answer, self-propelled accident relief train. Next, 48. What is the full form of ISS? ISS, that means option number 1 is the right answer, integrated security system. Question number 49. Clotting of blood takes place due to the presence of which vitamin in the blood? So your option number 4, K is the right answer. Question number 50. Punishment for writing with deadly weapons is given under which section of IPC? Section 148. Option number 4 is the right answer. Question number 51. The head of each battalion of RPSF is option number 3, commandant. Question number 52. Under which section of the CRPC non-cognizable offense is defined? That means section 12 CRPC, option number 4. Question number 53. Who is the head of RPF in Zonal Railways? So option number 1, PCSC is the right answer. What is the meaning of secular from the following? Secular from the following. That means your option number 1, all religions are equal and they are supported by the government is the right answer. Question number 55. Question number 55. Location box is related to S&T department. Option number 3 is the right answer. Question number 56. Under which article of Indian Constitution Supreme Court protects the fundamental right of citizen? Article 32. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 57. Punishment for atrocities offences. Punishment for atrocities offences is given in section 3. Option is 2. Question number 58. International Human Rights Day is celebrated on which day? Here has the technical mistake, but 10 December is the right answer. 10 December. Okay. Performing duty on foot in prescribed beat area from one place to another place is patrolling. Next, 60. Under which section of the Railway Act is spreading dirt? That means gandagi phailana. Spreading dirt in railway premises is an offense. That means your answer is section 145 is the right answer. Option number 1. Question number 61. Question number 61. A small iron of fish connecting the rails on a track is called fish plate. Option number 1 is the right answer. Question number 62. Under which section of Indian Evidence Act 1872 opinion of expert is relevant fact? Answer is 2, section 145. Question number 63. Entering into coaches which are reserved for female passenger is punishable under which section of Railway Act? Entering into coaches which are reserved for female passenger is punishable under which section of Railway Act? 162. Option number 1 is the right answer. Question number 64. Under which section of the Indian Penal Code gang rape is described? So then 376D is the right answer. That means option 4. Question number 65. Under which section of the CRPC arrest by magistrate is described? Option number 2, 44 is the right answer. Question number 66. How many LHP is given to RPF staff in a year? 20 days. Option number 1 is the right answer. Question number 67. Theft of book consignment occurring between two outer signals of two stations are called RTT. Option number 2. Question number 68. Which article explains the fundamental duties? Option number 3, 51A. Question number 69, where was the first train run in India? That means Boribandar to Thane. Option number 3 is the right answer. Question number 70, role of RPF of security of women passengers has explained in standing order 57. Option number 1 is the right answer. Question number 71, in each of the question given below, two statements are given followed by 4 conclusions, assuming the statements to be completely true, and based on this make logical conclusions based on whether the statement don't match the commonly known facts. Statements, some tables are chairs, some tables are not sofas. Conclusions, some tables are chairs, no tables are sofas, all sofas are tables, all tables are chairs. Answer number 3, option number 3, only one is right. Next, 1, 2, 6, 12, 36, 72, here 1, option number 1, 216 is the right answer. And find the missing terms, then C, G, B, C, B is the right answer. Find the angle between 10, 20 minutes, that means 234 degrees is the right answer, option number 3. If there is a Sunday on the 1st October, then what will be on the 1st November? Then Wednesday is the right answer, option number 1. Father of A is the son-in-law of B's mother, husband, or B's father related to grandfather. Option number 4 is the right answer. There are 4 words given in the question, out of which 3 are related. Choose the words which are odd, that means February is the odd. Next, 14 is related to 9, then 26 is related to 15. Next, if COIL is related to 315912 and police is related to 161512935, then price is related to 1618935. Next, how many meaningful words will be formed using the letter male? That means 4 answer, option number 4. Evaluating and selecting a process is called decision making. Option number 2 is the right answer. Who discovered the virus? Ivan Vasky. Option number 2 is the right answer. What is the minimum voting age in India? That means 18 years. Option number 1 is the right answer. What is tenure of Panchayati Raj institution? What is the tenure of Panchayati Raj institution? That means 5 years. Option number 2 is the right answer. Bullfighting is the national sport of which country? That means Spain. Option number 2 is the right answer. Who is the topmost law officer? The country. That means देश का सर्वोच्च विधि अधिकारी, law officer. That means Attorney General. Option number 3 is the right answer. Decorate the following in order of date. Decorate the following in order of date: Lucknow settlement, Surat split, partition of Bengal, establishment of Ghadar party. That means 3241. 3241 is right answer. Next, Swaraj is my birthright and I will take it. Who said this? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option number 1 is the right answer. What is the name of book which has been written by previous US President Barack Obama? What is the name of book which has been written by previous US President Barack Obama? Option number 2, A Promised Land. A Promised Land, which is, this question is very important for upcoming exams, so keep in mind. Which metal did man first use? Which metal did man first use? That means copper. Okay. Under which section of the Indian Penal Code criminal conspiracy is defined? Criminal conspiracy, that means option number 3, 120A. Next, in which article of Constitution is there a system of protection of interest of minority? That means option number 2, 29 is the right answer. 93, question number, ethics is concerned. Ethics is concerned. That is darshan. Okay. What is the full form of CIB? CIB. This is the wrong. This is a technical mistake. This is a technical mistake. Okay. The plan Saksham and Pragati. The plan Saksham and Pragati use Ministry of Human Resources and Development is related to the plan Saksham and Pragati and the Ministry of Human Resources and Development is related to skill development. Option number 3 is right answer. Next, exchange of messages in RSMS in the function of dash module, CRM. Exchange of messages in RSMS, the function of CRM. Next.
Question number 97, A1 is dash dash register, option of arms stock register. Now next, 1024 MB equal to 1 GB. Next, personal management related to, option number 1, human resource management. Next, question number 100, proclaimed offender explained in which section of CRPC, option number 2, section 82. I think you would have achieved very good marks. Okay, thank you.